Hello and welcome to our very first episode of In the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade dairy-free plant-based milk. Now a lot of you guys have been getting in touch with us about allergies to different things, including less common items such as corn and oats. So today it's all about how to make tiger nut milk. Tiger nut is not an actual nut, even though its name may give you an idea that it might be a nut. It's actually a tuber, it's paleo, it's grain-free, and it's really epic. So here I've got 300 grams of tiger nuts that have been soaked in my very safe corn-free water overnight. The first thing I'm going to do is take it all and add it straight into the Nutramilk. You're about to see just how easy it is to have fresh milk at home in a jiffy. I'm going to place the lid on top and lock it. So with the Nutramilk base locked into place, I will lower down this top portion and it just snaps right in. Next, I'm going to select butter and I'll take it down to 2 minutes. Now the ratios that I'm using for the tiger nut is similar to what's in the manual for almonds. So I'll hit start, it's going to make a lot of noise and it's going to come together fast. The final result, it's very coarse and almost looks a bit like pulp, like a flour, and that's exactly what you're looking for. The next step is to remove the lid and I will be adding in the water that I've measured out, again in accordance with the ratios that the book lines out for you when you purchase your Nutramilk, and it's essentially 32 ounces or 4 cups. This is the step where if you wanted to add a pinch of salt or a pinch of vanilla, this would be the perfect place to do so. Again, I am using my Summit Spring water, also known as Tourmaline Spring, and it's a corn-free water. It's got the only exemption in the country to not treat the water, which is what makes it so special. Next, I'll be putting the lid on, locking it into place again. So the lid's back on, and I'll bring this down, it snaps into place. Now you press the mix button and you don't change the 1 minute and you hit start. Now that this step is complete, the final step is to dispense. And I've moved the Nutramilk to the edge of the counter here. I've got a glass container ready to catch all the delicious milk. Now, you don't have to use a nut milk bag to filter it if you don't want to. I actually opt to filter one last time on my personal milk. All right, here we go. I've got the nut milk bag in place. I am ready to dispense. You press the dispense button. Again, don't change the 1 minute. Hit start, hold the nozzle, and you have got milk. You can see how much pulp is left once it's been strained through the nut milk bag. It's really not that much, but for my personal taste, I like to filter this last little bit of pulp out. Here's what's so great about the Nutramilk and the ability to make your own milk. Having milk when you're dealing with food allergies is critical. Without it, there's a lot of things you can't make very well. This Nutramilk, this machine, is truly a game changer. For those of you with severe allergies like myself, or if you find that you can't find something from a safe facility, this is a game changer. You can use the code TheAllergyChef50, save $50 on your Nutramilk, and you can go to thenutramilk.com, or you can click on the link in our bio, and you'll see how you can purchase one. But it really is a game changer. From here, you can make pancakes, ice cream, yogurt, cream sauce, and everything in between. Anything that requires milk or plant-based milk can be used, including cheesecake. You can start off with your Nutramilk. So if you have a severe corn allergy, or if you're allergic to most non-dairy milk alternatives, this is a great option for you. There you have it, a nice cup of non-dairy, corn-free organic milk. You can dip your cookies, or you can drink it straight. Thanks for tuning in to the first of many episodes of In the Kitchen with the Allergy Chef. There's a lot of ways that you can connect with us online, and we'll see you next time.